ahead of the anticipated construction of the East African crude oil pipeline project. Investors in the oil and gas industry, Total and CNooc, are seeking to contract a range of services, partially under the national content window, aimed at empowering local enterprises.
The bottom line in all of this is that there are a lot of procurement opportunities and also employment opportunities. Numerous goods really have been lined up when you look at the bid notices and invitations. A qualified firm in terms of payment of taxes, because that checklist is there. In terms of technical capacity to produce what you want to supply, legal capacity in terms of registration, licensing, financial capacity. You don't have to have the money, but can you find it?
This council around procurement capabilities comes at a time when the government is also anticipating billions of shillings in regulatory and financial expenditures to the Uganda National Oil Company UNOC and the Petroleum Authority of Uganda PAO in the new financial year 2021-2022.
In view of the pending final investment decision that is expected this year, the company requires approximately shillings 500 billion for equity participation, and shillings 100 billion has been provided in this BPF for UNOC as we speak now.
A cross-section of indigenous actors within the nascent oil and gas industry also demand for an empowerment fund to strengthen their working capital abilities, as well as skilling.
Oil and gas sector is a very high capital intensive investment. Many people are fearing to invest in it because they think that this industry is where people are being stolen. People don't know how, even if I invest maybe $1 million, how much am I going to get? And even people who have been practicing in it, some of them they are good, but they have insufficient knowledge to make sure that convince everyone who can participate in.
Raina Ojon, NTV Business.